Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. If this is your first time of watching me, do not fail to subscribe and share. And for returning subscribers, I really love you all so much. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to make up and also tie gele for yourself. I do hope you enjoy this video. If this video helps you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe and share. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. I love you all so much. Okay, so I have to brush my brow before drawing anything on it, and then after that I'm going to go in with a brown Davis pencil underneath my brow. I'm just going to line underneath my brow and on top my brow. And then I'm going to use a dark shade of pencil to fill up my brow. It's actually nice when you use brown pencil for your brow, but when you use a darker shade, it actually looks more beautiful. It comes out better. So right now I'm concealing with LA Girl light shade of Pro Concealer, and I'm concealing underneath my brow with it, and then on top my brow I'm going to be using a darker shade of LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just going to blend towards my eye area because I still have to conceal my eye. And then for my transition color, I'm using absolutely matte purple, dark shade of purple. And then also still on the transition color, I'm using an orange color so that my transition area looks soft and not too harsh. And then I'm just cutting my crease with P.Lious Base. You have to take your time in doing this so that this actually comes out really nice and beautiful. And then on my eyes, I'm using Velvet Double Effect. I'm just going in with yellow, a light yellow and also a darker shade of yellow so that my eyes can really pop and look nice. And I'm also going in with an orange color right over there. I'm going to go in with an orange color and a pink color. I actually love playing with colors, so I really enjoy doing this look. And then lastly, I'm going to go in with a dark shade of purple. Still on the transition color, I'm using a dark shade of purple. And then I had to apply glitters so that my eyes can pop the way that I want it to. I used a red glitter, although it has an orange feel. So I used glitters so that my eyes can pop and really look nice. I'm using Million Pauline eyeliner on my eyes to line my eyes so your eyes can actually look beautiful and nice. So I'm using Million Pauline eyeliner. I'm just going to line on top my eyes and underneath my eyes so that my eyes can look bold. So I'm just going to go in with NYX Glow. Before applying my foundation, you have I went in with NYX Glow before applying my foundation. So for my shade of foundation, I really prefer using Jordana though, because they have my exact shade of foundation. So right now I'm using Jordana on as my foundation color. And then for my concealer, I'm concealing with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm also using classic foundation too at that point so that it comes out nice. I'm concealing underneath my eyes, underneath my cheekbone, my jaw, and my forehead. It's actually my first time after a long while doing a makeup tutorial. I didn't actually know what was going to be the outcome, but I think I'm loving it though. I think I'm loving it, and I do hope that you love it too. If you want more makeup tutorials, please, I will need you all to say yes in the comment section. But if you don't want, you can also say nay. It will be appreciated too. So I'm contouring my nose. This is actually the whole contour process, and towards my jaw area, towards my jaw, so that the foundation doesn't look lighter than my skin tone. You have to blend properly too, so that it looks better and beautiful. If you do not blend well, and if you don't use a foundation in that of your skin tone, people will actually think that they just took somebody's head and placed on your head, and we don't want that, please. So after that, I'm just contouring my cheekbone and towards my jaw, and then my forehead. I'm using Bannana setting powder as my setting powder today. Using Bannana setting powder. So after applying your setting powder, you actually have to wait for 5 minutes or more, so that the powder can set on your face and actually look nice. So while I'm waiting, I'm just going to line my lips with a black pencil, the same pencil I used on my brow. I'm going to line it and also use a dark shade of purple on my lips. And I'm also going to go in with a pink lipstick, pink lip stain, so that it actually looks nice and beautiful. I'm going to go in with a pink lip stain. So in 1, 2, 3, my makeup is already set. I'm just going to brush off everything, brush off the powder, so that my makeup actually comes out nice. At this point, if your face is not looking like your neck, please check it. You have to do something about it. And then I'm also going in with my blush, and after that I'm going to go in with my highlighter underneath my brow and on my lips, so that it gives me an ombre shape. I love you guys so much. I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't fail to thumbs me up, and if you want some more, do not fail to say yay in the comment section. And I can't wait to see you guys in my gele tutorial right now. Please stay tuned, don't go away. I love you all. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So right now I'm going to be tying one of the latest trending geles, and I really didn't want to post this particular gele today. I had already planned on posting something else, but that particular one didn't really come out the way that I expected. But I do hope that you enjoyed this video. I do hope you love. You can criticize, you can appreciate, you can thumbs me up, you can dislike. it will be welcome. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of my gele, and then I made about 4 pleats before placing this gele on my head. It's very important for you to trace your pleats down towards your neck area. The rule for this particular gele today is 80-20. One hand of your gele has to be shorter than the other hand of your gele. The other hand has to really be very, very long. So I'm just going to twist the shorter part of my gele, take it towards the middle of my head and pin it. I really love this gele because it comes out really beautiful and nice. So in order for you to be able to tie this particular gele, your gele has to be a strong one and not a soft gele, so that it can stand and give you that very sleek and beautiful look. So right now I'm just taking the longer hand of my gele. I'm going to make some pleats with it before making my fan. So I'm just going to make about 2-3 pleats before making my fan. It depends on how big and how long your gele is. So you really have to take your time in doing this so that your gele really comes out nice and beautiful. So right now I'm going to start making my pleats. My fan, I'm going to start making my fan at this point. I'm just going to hold my gele with my both hands and make sure that one hand is picking gele while the gele while the other hand is holding the plate. If you haven't watched my previous videos on how to make fan or how to tie a fan gele, you really have to do that, guys, because it's going to help you to know how to tie this particular gele I am tying right now. And it's not difficult at all. And if you haven't watched my previous videos, guys, please do that. It will help you to know how to tie any type of trending gele that you want to tie at all. So right now I'm still on my pleats. I'm just going to continue making my fan until I reach the end of the gele. And we're done. I'm just going to take the part that is left on my gele. I'm just going to twist it towards the back and pin it. If your gele is falling the way mine is, you can just pin it. You can pin it with some pins. You can take some pins and pin it so that it can stand the way you want it to. So I'm just going to arrange my pleats the way that I want it to, the way it's comfortable and convenient for me. You can make your fan shorter. Some people actually like very small gele. Some people like very big and long ones. So for those that actually like the long ones, this is just for you. And if you like smaller gele, you can shorten your fan. I think I'm going to be doing a tutorial on that, although I have some other videos about how to shorten your fan, but maybe soon I'll be doing another video on that. So I do hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, do not fail to thumbs me up, and do not forget to comment on my makeup video if you want me to post some other ones. I will really want you to say yes or no in the comment section, or tell me how to go about it. I love you all so much. I do hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't fail to thumbs me up and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. I love you all so much. Bye.